Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 2 hands-on exercise loans. This is also called Townsend Mortgage Company. Basically, this is the second chapter of Excel section of my IT lab course. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID given in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, programming assignments, statistics, and mathematics, etc. So my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me on either email or WhatsApp. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment. Title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Hands-on Exercise Townsend Mortgage Company. This is the second chapter of Excel section. At start of the assignment instruction, you can see this project description. Basically, this project description has nothing to do with the assignment because we are supposed to solve the assignment from step 1 to the end. There are total 17 steps in this assignment. But if you read this project description, you will get an idea about the assignment. So have a reading through this project description and I will move to step number 1. That is the main part of this assignment. In step number 1, it is saying that start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Hands-on Exercise Loans. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So basically we are supposed to download this Excel file. So this is the Excel file where we will apply all the steps to get this assignment done. You can download this file from your My IT Lab dashboard. So I have already downloaded this and we will solve all the steps in this Excel workbook. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook. That is where we will move to step number 2 now. So this is the step 2 of the assignment. You would like to create a formula to calculate the amount financed for each loan. Enter a formula in cell D8 to calculate the amount financed for the first mortgage. Once completed, copy the formula down, completing the column D. So we are supposed to calculate the financed amount in column D. So this is column D and we are supposed to calculate this financed amount for the first mortgage. Copy the formula down to the column D to get the other values. So total value for the house is 400,000 and down payment paid is 80,000. So we are supposed to calculate the amount financed. We can calculate this by simply subtracting the down payment from the house cost. So house cost minus the down payment. So we will get the finance amount for the house cost. So now we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column D to get the other values. So we got the amount financed by subtracting the down payment from the house cost, and this is all about step number 2. And now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. So step number 3 is you would like to create a formula to calculate the monthly interest rate per period of each loan. So now we are supposed to calculate the monthly So we are supposed to calculate the monthly interest rate per period. So it is saying that enter in formula in cell F8 to calculate the monthly interest rate for the first loan. Enter in formula in cell F8 to calculate the monthly interest rate for the first loan. Add the appropriate cell references for cell B5 and then use the fill handler to copy the formula down, completing column F. So basically, we are supposed to calculate the monthly interest rate per period in F8. So this is F8. We are supposed to calculate the monthly interest rate. So it will be equal to mortgage rate divided by payment per year, mean number of years, this one, and we will get the result. So we have calculated the monthly interest rate and now we are supposed to copy the formula down to the column so that we can get the monthly interest rate for the other values. So we got the mortgage rate, so amount financed and the rate per period in these steps. So now we have completed step number 3 as well, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. So step number 4 is you would like to calculate the total number of payment period for each loan. To complete this task, you will use a mixed cell references as an alternative to an absolute cell reference. Enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the total number of payments per loan. Use an appropriate mixed cell reference for cell B5 and then use fill handler to copy the formula down, completing the column H. So basically, we are supposed to calculate the number of payments period, and we are supposed to calculate the number of payments period in cell H8. So this is H8 and we are supposed to calculate the number of payments period, and we can simply calculate this by multiplying the G8 with the B5, that is number of year. Number of year is 25, payments per year are 12 and the number of year are 25. When we will multiply this, we can get the number of payments periods. So we are supposed to calculate this number of payments period in cell H8, and we can simply calculate this by multiplying the G8, that is the number of years, and we will multiply this by B5, that is payments per year. So we can get the total number of PMT periods. So we got this 300, and now we are supposed to copy this formula down to the column H to get the other values. So we have completed this step, that is step number 4, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. So I am doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching my videos. and you can also hire me for your complete course. So let's move to next step, that is step number 5 now. Step number 5 is you would like to calculate the total value of the homes being financed. Use auto sum in cell B16 to calculate the total value of all homes sold. B16 is here, and we are supposed to calculate the total values of all homes sold. So that we can use using the auto sum. So we are supposed to using the auto sum in cell B16 to calculate the total values. So we are supposed to calculate the total values of all homes sold. So this is the total value of all homes sold that we have calculated using the sum function, and that is all required in step number 5. So that is all about step number 5, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 6. So next step is step number 6. 1 second. So you would like to calculate the average value of all homes being purchased. Now we are supposed to calculate the average value of all the homes being purchased. Use auto sum in cell B17 to calculate the average value of homes being purchased. So we are supposed to get these are homes being purchased, these are the values of home being purchased, and then we are supposed to get the average value of these home being purchased. So we can simply do this by going to this B17, and we will use the average function now to get the average value of these values. So it will give us the average value of all home being purchased is 305,240. So this is the average value of all homes being purchased. So this is all about step number 6. So now I will move to next step, that is step number 7. So step number 7 is you would like to calculate the median value of all home being purchased. It is saying that you would like to calculate the median value of all homes being purchased. Enter a function in cell B18 to calculate the median value of all homes being purchased. Here we calculated in step number 5 total values. In step number 6 we calculated the average values, and now we are supposed to get the median value. So we can use this, we can calculate this by using the median function now. So this is the median value of all home being purchased. So we are done with step number 7 as well, and now I will move to next step, that is step number 8. So step number 8 is you would like to display the cost of least expensive home. So we are supposed to display the minimum value of the home being purchased, and we can get this by using the minimum function. So in cell B19 we are supposed to show the lowest or minimum value of home being purchased. So we can simply type minimum function, and we will select this, and it will give us the minimum value of home being purchased is 175,500. So this is the minimum value of all the homes being purchased. So that is all about step number 8. So we have completed 8 steps so far. Total steps in this assignment are 17. And now I am going to do step number 9. So step number 9 is saying that you would like to display the value of the most expensive home being purchased. So we are supposed to display the value of the most expensive home being purchased in cell B20. So we can do this by using the max function. And we got the result for this one. So we have solved this step, and now the next step is step number 10. So in step number 10, it is saying that you would like to determine the total number of home financed. So now we are supposed to count the number of home being financed, and that we can count simply by count function. It will give us the result 5. So 5 homes are being financed for this. So we have solved 10 steps so far, and I have shown you these complete 10 steps. I did each and everything in these steps, and now I am going to show you the final version for this assignment so that you can have an idea about remaining 4 to 5 steps, and you can match your final version to this one. Let me show you the final version for this assignment. So this is the final version for this assignment. When you will apply the remaining steps to this one, then you will get a final version like this. If your final version is matching to this one, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. But if it is not matching, then you have some error to your assignment. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including the Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, Access assignments, you can contact me and I will do this for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again. You can have a look to this complete version of this assignments. This is the first sheet, that is detail worksheet. This is the payment info worksheet. So when you will apply all these remaining steps from step, these steps are left because I have solved 10 steps and these steps are left for this one. So when you will apply these steps to this assignment, then you will get a final version like this. So please have a look to this complete version of this assignment. I request you to subscribe to my channel and like my video so that I can be uploading more useful solution for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much again.